guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is just a weight loss accountability video for myself, and I'm also wanting to share this experience with you guys as well. With my channel, I want to definitely show you guys growth. I want to be able to go ahead and be able to impact people and make a change, and also have people join the journey with me. I do not have it all figured out, and I definitely want to have people who, you know, are on the same journey as me and wanting to achieve the same things. And even if you're not and you just want to tune in, this video is for you too. So I just joined a challenge with my local gym, and it is a 90-day challenge, new year, new you, and all it is body transformation. Winner wins $5,000. Yes, $5,000. I know what you're thinking, you're doing it just for the money. Actually, I'm not. I'm already going to lose the weight, or I already want to lose the weight. I was already on the journey to do so, but I just felt like, why not do it anyway? And the grand prize is pretty cool too. I can do a lot with that. And so, with that being said, I wanted to show you guys my journey. So I'll be posting videos maybe once every 2.5 weeks. Just kind of showing you guys where I am, what I'm doing, if I've lost any weight. My goal is to lose between 40 to 45 pounds. So yeah, I really want you guys to come on this journey with me. This is something that I want to do so it can better my health. It can help me do the things that I want to do physically, so that it can help me feel healthier, so that it can help with my asthma, because I do have asthma. And I just feel like when I get sick, it's so much more heightened, and I don't want to live like this, guys. I've gained so much weight, and it's such a bother, I feel, to me, and I just want to get back to my normal self, if that makes sense. But obvi, this is the heaviest I've ever been, and you know, sometimes when you are overweight, you kind of get uncomfortable, and I want to be able to be comfortable in my skin. I love who I am. I love the person I am and the person I strive to be. The weight situation I don't love, and that is just because, not that I let myself go, but it kind of feels like that. And I don't want to do that, because your body is a temple and you need to treat it accordingly. So I'll be eating differently. I'll be working out consistently and not slacking on that. So yeah, I definitely want you guys to join this ride with me. Definitely just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, even though it's just a weight loss accountability video for myself. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!